Lots of good smells. We brought everything home from the trial yesterday.
Russ. Russ.
Good.
Russ.
He's like, I see Patty.
Russ. Come on, let's go. Good boy. Ready? Turn over. Russ, hey.
He's eating something.
Seeds, I think.
Oh.
Go play.
Damn glasses. There we go.
You know, I put up the table both times.
I know, that's why I didn't say anything. I thought, oh well, that's okay.
Down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, I do a solo.